Myself, Leher Murpana. The Unite Foundation welcomes you. Why tech giants are coming to India for manufacturing their products? Tech giants is a name given to the 5 largest and most dominant companies in the information technology industry of US, namely Amazon, Apple, Microsoft, Google and Facebook. These have been among the most valuable public companies worldwide, globally, each having had a maximum market capitalization. So why are they coming to India for manufacturing their products? We all know about the current pandemic. Coronavirus started spreading from China, and that's the reason for other countries not wanting to have any relation with China. Hence, India has become the next best choice. The unprecedented times of the COVID-19 pandemic have shaken up the entire world. However, even in such adverse situations, India has emerged as a manufacturing hub, as a global manufacturing hub, and effectively surpassed the United States to become the world's second most desired manufacturing destination. This indicates the growing interest in India by manufacturers over other countries, including US and the manufacturing giant nation China. India's ranking was reflected in Cuhshman and Wakefield's 2021 Global Manufacturing Risk Index. The risk index, ranks 47 countries across Europe, the Americas, and the Asia Pacific. Tech giants are coming to India for manufacturing their products because India has a huge population, which means a younger workforce with innovative capabilities. India performed very well in meeting outsourcing requirements. The rise in the rank for India is ascribed to the country's working conditions and competitiveness in terms of value. As a manufacturing hub, India provides various advantages for the companies worldwide. India has relatively cheap land and labor, ever-improving infrastructure, and policies that go in favor of a thriving business. India is also aggressively working to enhance its supply chain capacities, which in turn will make foreign companies shift from other countries to India. Over the years, India has evolved from an agrarian to a service-based economy. The government of India is actively bringing reforms to boost the Indian economy, and some of the efforts taken include Number 1. Accounting as the lowest in Southeast Asia, India has reduced corporate tax from 30% to 25%. Number 2. Government introduced initiatives like Make in India and Skill India, which have achieved a feat in creating job opportunities in the manufacturing sector. Further, these initiatives have enhanced skill development to create a large pool of skilled human resources. Number 3. Income tax, GST and other custom reliefs provided for favorable business conditions. 11 industrial corridors are being built by the government to enhance the industrial infrastructure in the country. These corridors integrated with multi-modal connectivity infrastructure, which are expected to boost the manufacturing growth. We are all so proud to know that tech giants are coming to India for manufacturing their products because India is so good in all the aspects. Let's be thankful for this. Let's hope and work for more success. Thank you.